We drove into the infamous Lamar Valley of Yellowstone with dreary eyes in search of the famous park's inhabitants. We were lucky enough to spot 2 wolf pups playing far away in a field. As we stood there in awe, suddenly you could hear a faint howl. One howl turned to 6 different howls as we stood there motionless with goosebumps. Although we really couldn't see them, to hear a wolf pack for the first time in the wild was truly life-changing. As we started to head back to the main attractions, the inhabitants slowly started waking up. And some were way more than waking up. Once we got some Western tacos in our belly, it was time to head into the crowds. We ended up skipping Mammoth Hot Springs due to the full parking lot and opted to hit some smaller thermal activities. Immensely exhausted from the traffic and crowds, we seeked a secluded campsite away from everyone. It took some careful maneuvering down some washed out roads, but we ended up finding one. The next morning, we started the drive in the Grand Teton National Park. The sun was slowly peeking out and the elk were in full rut. Whenever we stopped the car, we were engulfed in elk bugling all around us. It was like when all the birds start chirping in the wee hours. We were really excited about seeing the Tetons, that I started to prioritize photography and compositions over video, so my apologies in advance for the lack of footage. Wooden trails brought me to this place. For many moons I've been searching for myself. Now what path will I take? After doing the loop drive twice, we found our way to a mama and baby moose enjoying some dinner. Before we leave, we're missing one super famous spot. So famous is what made it a national park. Snake River overlook. This scene may look familiar, and you can blame Ansel Adams for that.
Countless smiles as I heal. I follow falling leaves, autumn's yield. Trees call me friend. I dwelled in the dim woodlands, wild unseen in the open field.
We looked forward to exploring and experiencing more of Wyoming in the upcoming years as we were longing ahead out of the cowboy state and into Utah.
So I made my way to the clear.